Integrating Authorize Net webhooks is a straightforward process that enables you to receive real-time notifications for various events such as payment processing, customer information updates, and recurring billing. To get started, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a server to handle the webhook notifications. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here, you can create a new webhook by specifying the URL that will receive the notifications and the events you want to be notified about. You can choose from a variety of events, such as payment capture, refund, or subscription status change. Once you have created the webhook, Authorize Net will send an initial verification request to the specified URL to confirm that it is valid. Your server should respond with a success code to complete the verification process. After the webhook is verified, Authorize Net will start sending notifications for the selected events. These notifications will be in JSON format and will contain information about the event that triggered the notification. Your server should be able to parse this JSON data and take the necessary actions based on the event type. To handle webhook notifications securely, it is essential to validate the signature of each incoming request. Authorize Net includes a signature in the header of each notification, which can be verified using a secret key that you can obtain from your Authorize Net account. To implement this, you should store the secret key securely on your server and use it to calculate the expected signature for each incoming request. Then, compare the calculated signature with the one included in the notification header. If they match, you can be sure that the notification is genuine and process it accordingly. Best practices for integrating Authorize Net webhooks include handling errors and exceptions properly, and implementing idempotence to ensure that each notification is processed only once. You should also ensure that your server can handle a high volume of notifications and scale accordingly. In summary, integrating Authorize Net webhooks involves creating a webhook in your Authorize Net account, verifying the webhook URL, and handling incoming notifications securely. By following these steps and implementing best practices, you can build a robust and reliable system that responds to real-time events and enhances your overall payment processing experience.